Yo, what's up, Bungang? So ngayon, last day namin sa trabaho. The date today is, check natin yung date. July 26, Friday, 5 a.m. 5 a.m. last day. Then, check natin yung mga subscribers natin dito kung may mga comment sila. Ito, may tanong to. Basahin natin yung comments, then isasagutin ko. Gaano ka kadalas nakapag Budapest pag weekend, pag off mo? Oo. Ngayon, magtutumas ako dito sa trabaho. Dito sa province area. Isang beses pa lang ako nakapag Budapest. Yun, weekends. Weekends yun. And rest day ko. Pag off ko. Pero, dati kasi ma'am, followers, minamahal nating followers. Noong January to, pumunta ako dito sa Hungary. Kami ng batch ko. Budapest kasi kami dati. So, kuan lang. Nasa Budapest kami. Kaya, like, 3 days of working, 3 days day off. Pagkatapos ng day off, gusto mo gumala yan, gala. Budapest na. Pero ngayon, it was very unfortunate kasi natanggal kami. So, sobrang layo na. 3 hours. Sabihin natin 3 hours papunta doon. Kasama na yung mga delay sa kuan. Kasama na sa delay sa time. Then ayun. Then pag during nakakapagpunta ako ng Budapest during weekends lang talaga. Rest day ko yan. Hindi naman ako mag-leave para magkuan lang, para pumunta lang ng Budapest. Check pa natin yung mga ano pa ba yung mga. Then my Hungarian subscriber said that in my previous vlog 2 days ago, thank you for answers. I wish you to be healthy soon. So the last, I think this week, I have a cough. I have also a fever, but I still go to work because we don't have SSC card. So SSC card, it's like when you get sick, you can go to a clinic to give you a certificate, just like that. But here in Mocholad, we don't have a clinic here. So by the September, I think second week of September, will be transferred to Magoch, or I don't know, Magoch or Magoch. Then so it's better because if it's like if we are feeling sick, we will go to a clinic. Then so it's like sick leave. We will do it's like sick leave, and it's very hard for us to have an absent because if we absent, our overtime will be deducted. So it's very hard for us. Our salary will be deducted. So this week, it's like Monday and Friday, I have a fever but still go to work. So I don't want my salary to be deducted. But you know, I can feel, I don't myself that I can still go to work. But thanks God, after 2 days, fever is gone, and now still suffering from cough. I'm still sneezing, but at almost fully healed. And maybe next week, I don't know. And guys, yun pala sa susunod naman na duty next week. Mana ba't gawin afternoon shift 10 a.m. to 8:30. Nag-aantay kami ng kuwan. Nantayan namin. Wow! Yeah. Kami nag-aantay ng bus. Ban pala ban.